July 31st. Card opening. Got some cards in the mail to show. I went to a card shop too. Got these for, well, you'll see the price. Herman, Rogers, Holiday Rookies. I didn't think were too bad. Got these in the mail. Got Zeros Aquino, Bowen's Best, 9.5 auto. And then I got this one for fairly cheap, a Tatis Holiday, 9.0. Let's go ahead and roll four cards. 7, 2, 4, 6. 20. 8, 2, 4, 6. That's 90, I believe. 2, 4. Another 2020 Heritage. We have some new cards enter the game. There's a little more vintage going on. So I have some 98 Topps Series 2. So put one in the back, we'll put one in the middle. Another one back here. It is Blaster Saturday too. We get the ring or the flag. And the blaster that I decided on to open today is a Donruss one. So we will open that in addition of everything else. We have a lot to open this video. We'll start with 1990 Fat Pack. Nobody big. Nobody at all. Jose Gonzalez, that's the Ron Gonzalez. Jamie Moyer. Fred McGriff. So only one good card in that whole pack. You can look at them if you want to. Next we'll go to the 2020 Heritage. There's a Mookie. Good. There's a Mookie Betts. I think it's the first time pulling the Mookie Betts out of all I pulled. And we'll open up the second one. And I pulled a lot of Heritage High Number, and that's the first Dodgers Mookie Betts card in there, which is surprising given Everything else I pulled. Garlic, Danny Mendick. Let's make sure I pull the rookies out of here. Garlic being a high number rookie. Okay, we'll move on to Stadium Club. Grissom on the back. Larkin, Krylov, Contreras, Randy Azarina, a Topps Chrome Walker Buehler. Now that looks like the pearly white too. It's not numbered like the Ichiro one was. Yeah, that pearly white's hard to notice. I only noticed it because I turned to its back and saw the 40. So each Ichiro I got was a pearly white out of 40. Shane Bieber, Roger Clemens, and Trent Grisham. There's some newer cards in there, so I think we'll be able to start filling out the banks on that. Let's do our retail. So we get some variations going on in here. Castro. Roberto Alomar, Chris Bryant, now the Giants. Nothing really in there. Let's put away. We will move on to Gypsy Queen. Still looking for a parallel or an auto parallel. Rios, Roger Rodriguez, Nick Solak, Nolan Arenado on the Rockies, Vlad Guerrero Jr., Lee Ramos, Kylie Whitley. Not see anything fancy there. So, a couple of rookies, but that's about it. Finally, we will be doing our Donruss. I've opened Donruss in a long while. I was going to put a Donruss set together and decided no. Wasn't that interested in the Donruss site. I pulled a couple of the valuable cards I've had before. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll just save 5 for tomorrow and do 5 today. See if you can get a retail auto. That would be nice. Okay, Carlos Correa, Trevor Bauer, Jazz Chisholm. Best card so far. Castanheira, Lindor. Jason Giambi, Shohei Ohtani, Yadi Molina, Elite Series, Kenta Medea, Clayton Kershaw, and Miguel Cabrera. Ready Freddie Freeman, Jack Flattery, Liam Hendricks, Frank Thomas, Tim Anderson. There's a purple Roberts, Sam Huff, Rated Rookie, and Bo Bichette. Nothing big yet. A couple of rookies aren't too bad. Ichiro, Jose Altuve, a rated prospect, Zach Veen, Zach Gallion, the Tominator, Anthony Rizzo, and then one final one for today. Alaka, Anthony Rendon, J.P. Crawford, Lance Berkman, Pete Alonso, Paul Monitor, Little Travers, and Yadi Molina. So a couple rookies. Zach Veen is nice, but that's about it for today. We'll look at the Zach Veen since I think it's probably not the most valuable, best looking card. You all take care.